Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the contextual file search project, or we can say document finder project using Python. So we have to run the python space app.py file, then it will generate one URL. We have to open any browser and copy and paste that URL in that particular browser and press enter. Then it will open the web page. Okay. User can also write something to search, and this will be the complete page. Okay, let's write the professor. Okay, and click on the search button. So it will showing the result like title with the score. Okay, let's upload any file. Click here to choose upload and select any file. I'm just selecting extended alert chapter 4. Okay, and click on the upload button. So it will show the result, and we have to search the keyword like vehicle alert system. So it will show the title with the score. Okay, 0.0995 like that, and you can enter the working directory path. Okay, this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.